my name is Arnav. I'm 21 years old. I'm a second year creative technology student. I'm originally from India and I've lived here since 2009. So right now we have a data visualization class, which as the name states, we learn about how to visualize different types of data.
At this moment, Arnav is in the last module of the second year in creative technology. In this module, physically representing data is the subject, which results in courses like data visualization, internet technology and programming. Next to that, there are guest lectures and workshops.
So I just finished lunch break and I have some time to show you the design lab. The design lab is an area where students from different studies can collaborate on projects together. They can collaborate with companies and governments, and this place has a lot of facilities that students can make use of. We have two workshops here. We have the digital workshop and the M workshop. So this is the ideation part of the design lab. This is where we have lectures, we have group meetings. Normally the tables are arranged in formations where students can sit down and discuss their ideas. After that we have the relaxation area where we have a couple couches where students can just chill and brainstorm a little. Going this way, we now have the conceptualization area where there are project tables with whiteboards that students can use and write down their notes with their brainstorms and their doodles. Followed by the prototype area with the M and the E workshop. We're now going to go to the E workshop. E workshop has facilities like 3D printers, laser cutters, and desks for you to work on electrical soldering. Over here we have two 3D printers, and we can see nothing's actually being printed at this very moment. Project groups can make use of these facilities as long as they have a pass, which is easily obtained, and it is open at hours from 8 to 5. So this is the massive laser cutter over here. These facilities are free to use for students, and it's really useful if they have projects which need massive components that need to be printed. So this is the component drawer. In these drawers you have all the tools that you could require to make your circuits and build your circuits. So over here you have electrical components. Using these you can actually put together a circuit, and using the soldering equipment over there you can connect these components. And I'm going to show you to the M workshop. This is where you can do most of the hardware. In this workshop we have more of the physical labor done on projects. So for example, putting together a stand, nailing parts together, that's all done here. Cutting, we have some machines there where you can drill and shave and smoothen. We have another drilling machine here. We have a special table here that collects all the scraps from the work so that it doesn't get messy. There's foam to make lo-fi prototypes, and the drawers full of tools here for us to use. All free, of course. The facilities of the design lab aren't only limited to this floor, they also have some rooms downstairs. A couple rooms where you can have a fun project meeting with an air hockey table. They even have a photo studio with a green screen, as well as a place where you can shoot pictures of products. That's all down this way. However, I have class right now, so we gotta get back to class.
In the fifth module, students can choose between two modules, Smart Tech or New Media. Smart Tech is more focused on the technical side, while New Media is merely focused on visuals and storytelling. This comes back in the current module, where the New Media students have animated data narration and the Smart Tech students have biosignals and medical electronics.
So we just finished our lecture on data visualization, and after that we had a practical session. So we actually learned how to edit the code that would give us graphs and visualizations of data. And right now we have a guest lecturer by a ex-university professor who's now a data scientist at a big company working with big data. So we just had the practical and the theory about data visualization, and now we get the actual real life scenario. He's going to talk to us about his everyday life.
Do more real stuff, I think, like in a way, in the spirit of praise, right? So I wanted to get my hands on real things.
So I'm doing an extracurricular activity outside my study program, and I'm helping organize UTMUN, which is a debating extracurricular activity. We're organizing it for the first time this year in May, and I'm the head of chairs. So right now we're going to attend the general meeting, so that's where all the organizing committee come together to discuss the tasks that need to be done to get the event up and running.
Next to your studies, you are able to do some more activities, like Arnav does. This can, for example, be organizing student events, participating in a committee at the study association, or being part of one of the many sports or culture associations at campus.